That- You are LLB in 2020.
Yes, sir.
What are you doing since then?
Sir, I was preparing for the judicial examinations.
You appeared previously also?
No, sir.
First time.
Yes, it's my first time.
Cleared first time again. What is your father doing?
Sir, he's a bus driver in Punjab Roadways, Ludhiana.
All right. Tell us something about yourself.
Uh, Sir, my name is Kirandeep and I'm from Barnala district. I have
आपने
done my LLB honors from
आपने फॉर्म में क्या लिखा है?
SBS नगर या CS नगर?
SBS Nagar.
ये क्या है इसमें?
Shri
हैं?
Bhagat Singh Nagar.
नवाशहर को कहते हैं।
Sir, it's a street.
कॉलोनी है।
Yes, sir.
ठीक है, ठीक।
या तो आप क्लैरिफाई करो ना, SBS कॉलोनी नगर
SBS Nagar.
SBS नगर पर ठीक है, ठीक। Yes.
Uh,
You are telling something about yourself.
Yes, sir. I have done my BLLB honors from GSG Institute of Law, Sitwa, Ludhiana, affiliated to Punjab University, Chandigarh. And I am a first generation lawyer in my family.
Please tell us two qualities that you feel you possess and should be possessed by a judicial officer.
Sir, politeness, patience, and discipline, like
And
discipline
discipline.
and
And,
punctuality.
And two negative things that you feel you possess and should not be possessed by a judicial officer.
Sir, what I should possess or what I should not possess.
Feel you possess those two negative
But
qualities
that should not be.
should not be there in a judicial officer.
Sir,
Like rashness.
no, sir. I don't.
No,
think
this
so.
is only an example that you may be rash, but rashness is not good for a judicial officer. No negative quality traits.
Sir, actually, I can do one work at one time. I think that
It is a very good quality, not
But-
a bad quality.
I can focus on one thing.
That is a good quality.
I think this is my weakness. I think so.
Focus is a good quality. Anyway, what do you know about preamble of the Constitution?
Sir, the whole constitution is based on the preamble. The whole constitution of India is based on the preamble. It is a, we can say that it is a basic structure.
It is part of the basic structure.
No, it is a part of the Indian constitution, but
Calm down.
Sir, there was a case, Minerva Mills, and in that case, it was held that the preamble can be amended. Sorry, sir, I can't recall the.
Then why bring in Minerva necessarily?
Sir, I can't recall what was
If
held.
you are not recalling, why mention Minerva? It was not required. What secular stands for?
The secular mean, like India is a secular country. Secular mean India has no religion of its own, and every person can practice or propagate his own religion in India, as per Article 25 of the Indian Constitution.
This matters or no?
So, the legislature can interfere where, in case, in case any practice or propagation of the religion is violative of the Indian Constitution. Then,
Recently, government has introduced a bill regarding Constitution of Election Commission of India.
yes, sir.
And the selection committee is proposed to be comprising of the Prime Minister,
Prime Minister.
and leader of opposition, and a cabinet minister. And CJI has been excluded, done away with. Right?
Yes, sir.
What is your view about it?
Sir, in my opinion, that should not be done. That CGI must be included in that because there is a doctrine of checks and balance that uh, every like legislature should must have check upon the executive or judiciary, and judiciary must check upon legislature and executive.
What about separation of powers?
So separation of power is means
No, in this context,
in this checks and balances. Sir.
not checks and
This one,
election bill.
sir, I'm not.
The Supreme Court is made to interfere in the executive matters. Would it not go against the principle of separation of powers?
It may go against. It may go against.
So, it's all right.
Sorry, sir.
No,
I can't express my
make up your
opinion
mind.
upon.
Either say it is good or say it is bad.
Sir, in my opinion, CGI must be included in that.
Answer the question, separation of powers. How would you justify the inclusion of CGI? This is the question. Can you point out the provision wherein the deficiency in court fee can be allowed to be made up?
Deficiency in the court fee.
No.
No, sir. Thanks.
Section 149 CPC.
Uh, Section 149. Can you take a minute, sir, to recall the provisions? Sorry, sir.
Delay in filing of civil appeal can be condoned under what provision?
Section 5, sir. Section 5 of Limitation Act.
Is Order 41 Rule 3 capital A,
Order 41. Rule, sorry, sir.
B capital A. That is the provision for combination of delay as far as the appeal is concerned.
Okay, sir.
What are the considerations for allowing additional evidence at appellate stage?
Additional evidence at appellate stage. Sorry, sir.
Order 41 Rule 27.
Sorry, sir.
What is grievous harm?
Uh, Sir, it is the definition of the grievous act is provided under Section 320 of the Indian Penal Code, and there are 8 acts related to grievous hurt, and it includes emasculation, uh, permanent dislocation of the tooth, permanent dislocation of uh, sorry, uh,
Criminal
per,
breach of trust.
sir, the definition of the criminal breach of trust is provided under Section 405 of the Indian Penal Code. Yes, 405 of the Indian Penal Code, and it provides that whenever any person has been entrusted with any property, it may be movable or immovable property, then that such person breach mis- uh, misappropriate the property.
How extortion is different from theft?
Sir, the definition of the theft is provided under Section 378 of the Indian Penal Code, and the definition of extortion is provided under Section 380 of the uh, sorry, sir, 380 of the Indian Penal Code, and the main.
You address the question. Question is difference क्या है? You are not required to mention sections. What is difference? One, two, whatever it is.
So the offense of theft is committed of the movable property, but extortion can be committed of the movable. It may be movable property or immovable property, and theft means taking off the movable property from the possession of the person who is entitled to that property.
Here's a question. Can you commit a theft of your own property of which you are an owner? Can you be liable for committing theft for your own property of which you have been an owner?
अच्छा,
Okay.
what
Answer, sir. Please.
what is suspension of sentence by the court?
Uh,
Suspension of sentence by the court. Recently, it was there in the paper.
yes, sir. Sir, suspension of the sentence means staying or uh,
कौन सी
stay,
section है? Which section deals with
section
that?
432 of CRPC.
राहुल गांधी के केस में था, प्रॉब्लम थी क्या रिलेटिंग टू दैट?
Or sir, in defamation case.
Suspension of sentence. That was one of the questions related to the
Staying of the sentence for a temporary period. Sir, in
section कौन सी है CRPC की?
sir, I'm
Which
not
court
sure,
can
but
suspend?
the same court, sir, which the case is sent.
Can you tell us under which law was Rahul Gandhi disqualified from his Lok Sabha membership? Which
Sir,
law? He was
sir,
convicted.
representation of people.
Which section?
Sir, I can't recall the section. Sir, our former CM, Chief Minister of Punjab, Sardar Surjit Singh Barnala was from Barnala. Sir, in 2006. 23. Malerkotla. Sir, uh, Arjun Ram. Sir, I can't recall the name.
Who's the chairperson of Law Commission?
Sorry, sir, I can't recall the name.
So, what is the test deciding competency of witness? It is a shadow witness.
Don't worry. Okay, tell us lastly. Just moving on. Who is a partner by holding out?
Sorry, sir. A partner.
Who is a partner by holding out?
Sir, a partner holding out is a partner who will be responsible for an act which he has done. Which he has done during. Sir, I can recall the provision. It's section 28 or 29 of Indian Partnership Act. Sir, Sir, I can't recall the section.
Actually, it's not asking.
Okay. Sir, if I'm not sure, sir. Can I answer? So, tenant holding over is a person who has been legally entered into a tenancy, but he is continuing in the possession on the expiry of the tenancy period.
Without the wishes of the landlord.
No, sir. Sir, I'm not sure. It's sir, I'm confused between tenant and will and tenant between.
With express that is conduct or any kind of written agreement.
Sir, estoppel may be oral or in writing.
By conduct or by written statements only.
Sir, it can be by conduct.
Conduct situation is isn't it?
Sir,
क्यों ऐसे अपने आप पे प्रेशर क्यों बनाया जा रहा है? प्रेशर कुछ ज़्यादा ही है ना? आप बना दिए
ज़्यादा इतना तो है ही कुछ नहीं. Why are you so nervous? You're such a brilliant student.
yes, sir.
आपको बताया था कि एंटर करते समय स्ट्रेस, नर्वसनेस,
Yes, sir.
बाहर छोड़ के आने हैं. आपने किसको विश किया था सबसे पहले यार? सिग्नल चलने या किसको करना चाहिए था? लेडीज को.
जी सर.
Anyway.
Okay, sir.
Kanupriya was sitting here and
Sir,
good morning ma'am, good afternoon ma'am. हम देखा कि हमें कोई करेगा हमें कुछ नहीं.
I will keep it in mind, sir.
It should be only one. Why enter into this controversy?
You should say it really up.
जो करना है कि
Okay, sir.
say good evening sirs or good evening to you.
Good. Okay, sir.
Good evening or good morning whatever. बस स्ट्रेस का आपको इलाज करना है. कैसे
Yes, sir.
करेंगे आप ये आप देखिए.
आपने आता
Yes,
हुआ
sir.
हैं?
स्ट्रेस की वजह से जो आता रहा वो तो
Yes, sir.
थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिस करो. ask somebody to take you question.
Yeah, you have close buddies like Smriti and all that.
Yes.
What practice is?
काम शुरू
Do a lot of practice.
Yes, sir.
आपस में आप बैठ के प्रैक्टिस करें.
और क्या?
बारी से इंटरव्यू एक्ट करें, बाकी कैंडिडेट्स एक्ट करें
Yes, sir.
और उसको वीडियोग्राफ करें और फिर देखें आपकी कहाँ कहाँ वीकनेसेस हैं, उन पे काम करिए. आप तो एक्सरसाइजिंग करनी चीज को चीज है आप.
एक टॉपिक को तैयार करो and then ask your next question.
यस.
Okay.
एक तो जो लेटेस्ट न्यूज़पेपर में आ रहा है जैसे ये सस्पेंशन ऑफ सेंटेंस पे
और
रिपोर्ट
क्या?
हल्ला था उसके बाद
और इतना रौला पड़ा है नहीं है मतलब यू मस्ट नो दिस एक्शन
It was the national news. अब आर्टिकल 370 पे आपको पूछ सकते हैं. What is that?
Yes.
Little background of article 370. थोड़ा बहुत
जो
पता होना चाहिए.
कंट्रोवर्सी चल रही है कम उसका तो आपको
सुप्रीम कोर्ट में
इंटरव्यू अटेंड करो
कौन से
Yes,
जजेस
sir.
बैठे हैं बेंच
और
में.
एक ड्रेस में थोड़ी एम्ब्रॉयडरी ये जो है
Chicken curry, sir.
और प्लेन हो तो अच्छा है.
Okay,
निकाले
sir.
उसको.
और एक ये रिंग.
Okay. Yes, sir. I'm removing this in my final interview. Yes.
बाकी सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट है ब्रशिंग अप.
Yes, sir.
ये तो सब सेकेंडरी बातें हैं. ब्रशिंग अप जरूरी है और कॉन्फिडेंस बिल्डिंग
Yes, sir.
सचिंदर
है ना. तो इस पे काम करिए और फिर एक कोई मॉक भी है.
एक्चुअली जो न्यूज़पेपर में आते हैं ये बात न्यूज़पेपर में आई है मैरिटल सेक्स के बारे में चल रहा है सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास पेंडिंग है ट्रेडिशन के बारे में चल रहा है जो कम जो करंट प्रॉब्लम है
I have read about
उसके बारे में आपको पता पढ़ो अखबार में पढ़ो.
सेम सेक्स मैरिजेस ना बड़ा इशू सुप्रीम कोर्ट के पास.
Also, जब आप किसी का नाम ले रहे हैं, use the consent stream.
Okay.
You did not. आप
Yes.
जिसने पूछा आपसे you straight away took his name.
Yes.
That is not how we address people. And secondly, I feel while they were questioning you were cross-questioning them.
Okay.
थोड़ा सा
नहीं थोड़ा नहीं काफी छुप गए थोड़ा 15
Yes,
hours
sir. Okay, sir.
And good to practice with this class. Right from the word go, right from now.
Sir, actually, I know the law, but I don't know how to express it.
This is the
So,
problem.
that's
This is
yes,
the
sir.
problem. A exercise of
Yes, ma'am.
constitution money. You have almost 1 month at your disposal.
When is your interview?
Sir, ma'am, on 6th of October.
अभी टाइम है आपके पास
एक महीना है
प्रैक्टिस करिए पूरा है ना
लेटेस्ट केस लॉ है उसके बारे में थोड़ा सा आप लेटेस्ट कोई न्यूज़पेपर एक तो जिस दिन इंटरव्यू है उसका न्यूज़पेपर
उस दिन का
कंप्लीटली
जरूर पढ़िए
कोई लॉ के रिलेटेड खबर है उसका कौन सा पेपर पढ़ते हो पेपर कौन सा पढ़ते हो कौन सा न्यूज़पेपर है
The Hindu. The Hindu.
The Hindu. Okay.
एडिटर कौन है
I'm not right.
You are at the end round.
चलो तैयारी करो आप है ना
It's not.